Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Starting off our Friday on the cold side, as we did see temperatures reach the low 20s early this morning, and we are slowly starting to see those temperatures rebound. Otherwise, just a few clouds out there this morning, just a few mid and high clouds out there, and we will see a seasonable day ahead of us today before we see another chance of rain move into the forecast tomorrow. If you take a look at the current surface analysis, we have high pressure settled over the region in control, keeping things fairly quiet and dry, as well as not windy. Expected going throughout the day today, with just a few clouds starting to build in the area as we get later in the day and into the evening hours as another front starts to approach the area, bringing us a chance of showers out ahead of it and some breezy conditions as we go into our Friday. That front that will be moving into the area is well off to the west-northwest, and again, that will continue to approach the area as we go through the day today, and we'll see some impacts as we get into the day Saturday. Current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, just a few clouds at 14,000 feet, a few clouds at 25,000 feet. Winds are calm to light and variable. Temperature around 30 degrees, and relative humidity is at 81%. If you take a look at the current visible satellite, we could see just those few clouds streaming through the area, expecting mostly sunny day for at least the first to most of the daylight hours, and then we'll see some mid to high level clouds start to build in and fill in as we go through the evening, eventually becoming overcast. But right now, temperatures in the 20s across much of the region at the moment, and slowly starting to rebound as we go through the morning after sunrise. So if we look at the short-term high resolution model as we see how things play out today, expecting dry conditions and quiet conditions, and on the seasonable side temperature wise. And then as we go into the evening again, we'll see those clouds start to increase out ahead of these showers that start to move into the area that is out ahead of the front. Those showers look to hold off until we get past the 8 a.m. time frame. Then we'll see those showers likely coming in scattered in nature, similar to what we saw on Wednesday, where we'll see that southerly wind start to build up overnight, becoming breezy by the time we get into the daytime hours Saturday, and then we'll see scattered rain showers moving throughout the day, but most of that activity looks to be out of here by 15 local or 3 p.m. local time and pushing off the coast by then. And then the actual front itself will continue to approach, finally reaching the area. Very slight chance of seeing a few showers along that front, but very slight chance, and if there are any, it'd be just a sprinkle mainly, but we'll see those breezy conditions, and then the winds will shift behind the front, remaining slightly breezy through the first part of the evening, and then we'll see things quiet up as we go into our Sunday with just some mid to high clouds lingering around, but the winds will become light, and it'll be slightly cooler air behind the front with temperatures a couple degrees below normal. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart as we go throughout the day today, we are green across the board for our weather risk. Expecting temperatures to slowly start to rebound and reach around 52 as we get into the later part of the afternoon, so it's just about seasonable for this time of year. We'll see winds start to turn out of the southeast to south as we get into the afternoon as well, and those will gradually increase as we go through the evening, but won't see really breezy or slightly breezy conditions until we get to the early morning hours to start the day on Saturday. We'll see our low temperature this evening around 8 to 10 o'clock of 46, and then we'll see temperatures gradually start to rise through the evening, reaching the mid-50s by the time we start the day on Saturday. So a seasonable day ahead, and tides are running normal at the moment. If we look at our Saturday, we'll have overcast skies by the time we start the day on Saturday, and we'll see skies slowly start to clear late behind those showers, and after that front starts to move through, but becoming breezy through the day. We do have that orange risk for winds at or above 25 knots, and then we'll have those rain showers likely moving in by mid to late morning and then continuing for the early afternoon, and we'll see rain start to diminish by the late afternoon to early evening. But we will see a warm day with a high around 62. We are red for precip for our Saturday, as well as those reduced ceilings visibilities. We have that yellow risk for that. As we go into Saturday evening, expecting to start off mostly cloudy, and we'll see gradual clearing through the evening as the front continues to push through the area. We'll see the winds shift, still remaining slightly breezy, so we do have that yellow risk we're continuing that wind advisory. The strongest winds will likely be just before and just after the frontal passage moves through the local area. But then we'll see things becoming mostly clear by Sunday morning and slightly breezy early again with that front, and then otherwise a seasonable evening with a low around 35. As we go into Sunday, things will quiet down once again as high pressure builds into the area. We will see some mid and upper level clouds sticking around through the day, so partly cloudy for our Sunday, and a couple degrees below average on the cool side with a high around 48, but green across the board for our weather risk. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. Take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.